Guys, I have exciting news. Well, exciting if you're obsessed with imPRESS nails like I am. I was at Walgreens the other day and immediately the imPRESS nail display attracted me because I saw some things I didn't recognize. So I went over there and I noticed that they have these new limited edition nails for Valentine's Day. So I grabbed 2 packs, like the only 2 that they had for Valentine's Day. And then I noticed that they also had matte nails and they had a Bare But Better line. So I kind of perused everything and just took it all in. And then when I got home, I was like, I'll just check their website and see like what the deal is, if they have any more Valentine's Day sets, and what's the deal with the matte nails and the Bare But Better line. And oh boy, there's some news. The first thing I noticed on their website is that now they're coming out with this Pure Fit technology, and I'm not sure how they're gonna roll this out, if it's gonna be every box is gonna be Pure Fit or only some of them, and they're going to keep the original as well. But the new Pure Fit technology is that they're slimmer and more comfortable, supposedly. So I don't know if some of us had some complaints that like they weren't fitting right or something. I don't know if that will address it, but apparently they're going to be slimmer and more comfortable. The only thing that I'm concerned about with them being slimmer is the quality kind of going down, because then they'll be a lot easier to bend or be subject to wear and tear when you're like doing your daily activities. So we'll see. I'll have to test them out, but it's something to note. I find the originals to be quite comfortable, so we'll see how this affects the nails. And then like I mentioned, they have the new Valentines sets available. At my Walgreens, they only had 2. The ones I'm wearing right now, I'm in love with. They're called The Night We Met. So this is the pack that I'm currently using. I love them because they're not over the top in your face Valentine's Day, red, pink, you know what I mean? They're just black and nude, and then some of them have heart rhinestones, and then some of the nail nudes have like a heart drawn on them. They're so cute. They're Valentine's Day, but they're subtle. So right now, these are my favorites. I've been wearing them for maybe a week or a week and a half. I love them. And I still have one more set, so when it comes closer to Valentine's Day, I'm gonna wear these again. And then I also got this set. It's called Favorite One, and these are the medium length, which is not usually my jam. I like the short length, but I had to get them. They looked so fun. They're red and nude or red and white, whatever you consider it. They're medium length and they're coffin shaped, which is actually another line that they're coming out with. Now they have their single shade boxes available in coffin shapes, which is really fun. My only concern with that is that they will all be that medium to long length, and I prefer the shorter lengths, so they probably won't have the coffin shape available in the short length. It will probably only be for medium or long, which is fine. Hey, if you're into that, check them out, because now they have that coffin shape as well. But back to this Favorite One set. Some of them have like lips on them, some of them have hearts on them, and then some of them just have like a red rhinestone. So I'll be wearing these in the coming weeks as well, so be sure to check out some of my videos if you want to see them in action. When I checked the imPRESS nail website, they actually have 4 total Valentine's Day limited edition sets. The 2 I mentioned that I have, The Night We Met and Favorite One, as well as a set called Always and Forever. They have solid red mixed in with some like design accent nails, and they look like they're the medium length with the coffin shape. And then they also have Lovely Day, which is like a pink set, and they look like they're the short standard shape, and they just have like pink accents and like a gradient pink for the base nail. But those look really cute too. If you're not into red or the black and nude ones, they have a pink set for Valentine's Day as well. And then the new addition that I'm most excited about is the matte varieties, and this I actually did see in Walgreens, but I didn't pick any up just because I have a few boxes I need to use up before I buy more. But I love matte nails, and they have a whole variety of matte nails. You can even check them out on the website. They'll have even more than what's available in stores. But I don't know about you guys, but I prefer a matte manicure over like a glossy one. So this is gonna be great. Once I use some of my boxes up, I'm gonna be all about the matte boxes. They've also added a line called Bare But Better, and they're just a bunch of neutral colored nails, from like light neutrals to a little deeper neutrals, but they're all like a nude color, and they come with the Pure Fit technology. So they're super slim and super comfortable according to the website. But these look really interesting too, because they all seem to come in like a gradient effect. So they're lighter towards the cuticle and then they like gradient up towards the neutral color towards the tip of the nail. They look really pretty. I can't wait to try these out too. I did see a few sets at my Walgreens and then of course like the whole line on the website. So check them out if you're interested in more of a nude natural looking nail. The Bare But Better and the Valentine's Day lines are $8.99 and then their regular like single color boxes are still $6.99 on the website. Sometimes that fluctuates from retailer to retailer, but that's the baseline. The normal ones are $6.99 and then like the limited edition and these other kinds are $8.99. So very affordable either way. But since I'm always on the hunt for even more affordable things, I have a dupe for you guys. As if imPRESS nails needed a dupe. But if you have a Dollar General near you, these Kiss press-on nails, I don't even know what they're technically called. It doesn't even have a name on them. It just says Kiss and then press on, but they look like this, and they're only $5 at Dollar General, as if we needed something even more affordable. But if, you know, $6.99 or $8.99 still seems a little bit high for you for press-on nails, check these bad boys out at Dollar General. They probably have them at like Walmart and Target too, I'm not sure. But these are only $5 and I've tested a few boxes of these and they're just as good staying power-wise if you use my little, you know, nail glue trick on top of the press-on glue. The only thing is they are a little slimmer, so they're not as quality. So I just found them to like bend back if I was like doing something or using my nails as tools like I do. Since they're thinner, they do have a chance of bending back, or sometimes the tip color wears off a little faster. So that's the only difference. Otherwise, staying power the same. And they have, at least at my Dollar General, they have this navy color with like a gold accent, as well as an XOXO accent nail, which I thought was also perfect for Valentine's Day. It's not over the top with the red or pink color, but it has an XOXO nail. So keep an eye out for that if you're looking for a $5 set and you want something a little bit Valentine's-y. If you've watched any of my other imPRESS nail tutorial vids, you'll know that I like to put the Powerflex nail glue on my nail first and then press on the nail. Well, I have a little Powerflex nail glue update as well. Originally, they were only available in these tubes where it has like this pointed dropper end, so you'd have to apply it like this. But now I saw that they have a brush-on Powerflex nail glue, so it makes it even easier and even more convenient to apply. Because when you're doing it like this, it dispenses a dot on your nail, and then you kind of have to either disperse it on your own or kind of use the nail to press it down. And this tip can get messy and clogged as you use it more and more. This new brush-on Powerflex nail glue will allow for such an even application, and then you don't have that tube that's going to get clogged or messy. I haven't picked up the brush on yet, but I will as soon as I run out of this tube. I can't wait because I know it's going to make it even easier. That's all the updates I have for you on the imPRESS nails. I think they're exciting updates though, so if you're looking for something to change up your nail routine or you didn't know about it, check out Walgreens, check out Walmart, check out the website, and you might find something you like. Until next time, off I go.
Very clever. Off you go.